Ito po, ako po yung gumawa niyan. Di ba? Proud panday. At least, strong enough naman siya. Ako din gumawa niyan. Ito. Ako din gumawa niyan. Kala nyo, kaya niyan? Itong bahay na to, inuunti-unti natin, but wala kasi kaming amortization. Kumbaga, wala kaming iniisip na babayaran every month. So, we've got this house when I was 37 years old. Without amortization. So, yun. Kaya yun, inuunti-unti lang natin, di ba? So, yeah. At least, wala na tayong isipin na babayaran every month. So, ayan. I spent also my money here in this house. Not only my husband na nag-spend dito. Also, my money. Dito ko din po invest yung pera ko. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my vlog. So ganito po yan dito pag walang ilaw yung room. Yan, ganyan. So this morning I woke up, I forgot na ginupitan ko pala yung buhok ko kagabi. Yan dito kahit walang, hindi naka-on yung ilaw. Pag i-on natin, ganito siya. Yan, diba? Walang effect dito sa ating video. Ganyan. So ayan, pag black yung mukha mo, black talaga yung mukha mo. Pag white yung mukha mo dahil sa ilaw, okay, ganyan lang. So, today, yan, nakalinis na ako ng bedroom ni Beatrice, ng living room. I also clean up. Yan, ganito yan dito. Walang ilaw yan, ha? Walang naka-on na ilaw yan. Summer na naman, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang init. Yung isang araw, sobrang lamig. 9 degrees. At night time, in the morning, in the morning. Tapos yun, ngayon naman, umpisa na. Kaya minsan, hindi din ako excited mag-summer. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ang summer dito, napaka-iksi ng panahon. 2 months. Tapos, spring. Tapos dito, di ba, magsi-spring. Ang spring, 1.5 months lang yata. Tapos, after that, summer, 2 months. Tapos, after summer, autumn. Yung autumn, 1 month or 2 months lang. Autumn, 1 month lang. Tapos, winter na naman. Diba? Kaya kayo dyan sa Pilipinas. Napakaswerte natin sa ating temperature dyan sa Philippines. Mainit, yes, but the entire year naman. Pero kung bilangin mo yung heat talaga to the entire year, swerte pa din compare sa ibang mga lugar, diba? So, ganito yung mukha ng 44 years old. Yung mama ko na 75 years old. Tingnan yung mukha ng mama ko. At saka yung papa ko na 85. 80. Mag-81 na sila this year. Mag-81 na yung papa ko. At saka yung mama ko magsi-76 na this year. Yung anak ko dito, as usual, nandito si Beatrice. Professional driver, no? Nakipag-kompetensya na. Wow! Oh, seryoso. Oh, nilagyan ko ng footsteps, para hindi naman mapagod yung anak ko. Say hi. Oh, it jumps. Oh, wow. It's drifting. Oh. She's good na. Making points. So, she's discovered a lot of cars. So, ayan. Siya namin pag walang ilaw. Ayan. So, pag inilawan mo, ganun siya. So, hindi pa ako nakapaghugas, guys. I will clean up first. Dito, ganito. Medyo madilim yan dito. Pero, carry naman. Kasi yung ilaw, tingnan mo yung sa living room namin. Even though hindi nag-on ng light, ganyan yan. Yan. Tsaka dyan. Di ba? Yan. Tapos, we will change again. Mag-change na naman ako ng palagi po ako nag-change nito ng ating cover, table cover. Isang araw, naglaba din ako ng cortina. Yung cortina naman namin, I have extra, but I don't want to put different one. Kasi, before, I like also gray and white. But, I realized I want more colorful life. So, I want it colorful. Kahit yung asawa ko, he preferred to have colors sa bahay. So, yun. Tinanggal ko yung black and white, gray and white. Kasi kung makita nyo, pati yung sofa namin is gray. Yung curtain before is gray and white. So, yeah. Sabi ko, dapat maging makulay yung buhay natin. At saka parang lively. So, pag nakikita nyo, parang yung dito, more siya sa mga color-color. Ay, ang ganda ng flowers Ito yung ipinalit ko after Valentine's na flowers. Tingnan nyo, hindi siya na... ganyan pa din. Di ba? Worth it siya. Ano siya? Patay na. Pero tingnan mo. Di ba? Ang galing. Galing. Di ba? Baka mamatay din tong ano ko. Napalitan ko na yan ng water. So, anyway, yeah. So, yung makita nyo din dito, yung mga tiles na to, yan. Original po yan dito, pagbili ng bahay. Including this marble. Real marble to, as in stone. We also have a marble stone. Huh? Yeah, very good. They even have a marble washing sink before in the kitchen. At yan. Yan. Yan po yung marble na washing sink. Buong stone po yan. So, ang ganda ng araw. I don't want to throw it away kasi may gagawin ako dyan. This is really a one-piece marble. Hindi yung ibang ano na ngayon na cover lang. Ito talaga is real. Tapos, kahit ito, dito yan, parang siya. Actually, dito ganun yan. Kaso, before, parang nag-DIY ako na fireplace. So, since lahat na heat, lumalabas lang, so we change it to this, sa lavender. Anyway, and this style, hindi siya bagay, di ba? Original po yan dito. Mga ilang years na yan. Yan. Yung tiles na yan. So, we are planning to change it also someday. Kasi malaking, yung gusto kong tile ay, ewan ko kung kaya kong gawin. Kasi yung kaya ko pang gawin is ganito lang. Yung mga maliliit. Gusto ko siya palitan na malaki. At saka yung ibang color na maakma naman sa wall natin. So, it's still a lot. It's still a lot to do. So, and the good thing here is, itong bahay na to, inuunti-unti natin, but wala kasi kaming amortization. Kumbaga, wala kaming iniisip na babayaran every month. So, we've got this house when I was 37 years old without amortization. So, yun. Kaya yun, inuunti-unti lang natin, di ba? So, yeah. At least, wala na tayong isipin na babayaran every month. Hindi din siya ganun kadali, lalo na pag renovation. Minsan mas maigi pa nga yung bago kasi nakaplan na kung ano gusto mong gawin. Yung renovation is, you have to remove, clean up, at saka gagawin mo. Unlike yung bago siya, bagong gawa na bahay is only you have to buy materials and then, wala ka nang lilinisin, hindi mo, kumbaga mas double yung effort pag renovation isa sa new house. Yun yung naano ko lang, na-realize ko. So it's okay. Kasi kahit naman paano pasalamat pa din that we have this house na ni-renovate natin. So ayan, I spent also my money here in this house. Not only my husband na nag-spend dito, also my money. Dito ko din po invest yung pera ko. So lahat po dito, kaya siya ganun siya kaano kasi hindi naman po kalakihan yung bahay natin. So we have to make use. Yes, babe. Yeah, let me see. Oh, very good. You got a new car again.
Look, Mama.
Oh, beautiful. Ganyan yung nakuha niya, GT. Oh!
Mama, look what you can do with this car.
It's beautiful. Oh, they opened the engine, huh? Yeah. Ikaw ba naman anak ng isa?
Look, it also opened the door.
Yeah, great job. How about the back? You can open it too.
Not really.
No, I think you can. I think you can. You try. It has the... Yeah, and then up. Yeah, see? I told you you can. And the side? And the side one? Yeah. Oh, very good. Oh, so beautiful car. Oh, siya na yung naglalaro dito kasi
Mama,
yung
there's
papa.
one more.
Oh, beautiful. Okay. Thank you, baby. So, ayan. So, yun, kanya yan dito. Yung nakakatuwa, yung kapatid ko pala.
Over here, the noise at the back.
Yes, Bea.
No, no, no.
Nakakatuwa pa yung kapatid ko na nasa US. She messaged me yesterday na, so, I was listening to her video kasi wala namang time talaga yung kapatid ko. So,
The car is off.
yeah. Kasi wala naman talaga itong time yung kapatid ko. She's a nurse in US. And she said, I was little, so she only tried to play my video when she's going to work. So, ganon. Sometimes she called me during her free time. Bago mag-start. For example, she arrived already at her working place. Tapos she has enough time. A bit of time. Sometimes she called me. Mga ganyang time. So, I was listening to your video this morning while driving and I was pulled out over by the undercover cop. She didn't give me a ticket but she told me I was driving 65 mph. Supposedly, it's only 45 mph. So, she was driving 100 kilometers per hour instead only 70 kilometers per hour. So, sorry naman to my sister but thank you for the support. Kahit pa paano, di ba? And then I told her, you were flying the eye. So,
And nothing.
yes.
86 points I made.
Very good. So, ganyan. Nahuli ng pulis. Buti na lang, inano lang siya, niremind lang siya that she was driving more than unnecessary. I have this one, is iron. Lahat po yung nandun sa storage namin, lahat po yun na plancha po yun. So, we have to put this na smells good. I like it when I change the table cover na table, how do you call this? Because ang bango ng pag-enter mo dito sa dining area. Ang bango. I like the smell. It's like freshly washed. So yeah, since yesterday I also mopped the floor. So when I do, sometimes I normally hindi naman talaga ako nag-upload ng video every day, but I do cleaning po every day. Of course, it's part of my life, cleaning, cooking. So anyway, kakatapos lang din while I was cleaning up the washing machine. I already do washing. Pero, yan. Magsampay tayo. Ito for washing na naman to. Ito yung washing area natin. Ito yung we also bought 5 kilos of this. At saka ito po, ako po yung gumawa niyan. Diba? Proud Panday. Proud Panday. So, yeah. Have to hang the bed sheets. I already have 3. Actually, I already have 2 washing machine for dried clothes for ironing. So, mga dalawang washing machine yun na batch. You failed? Why? So, ayan. Maghang muna ako ng clothes. Okay? One is almost the one that I used to put on her bed because we can change this often. Kita yung parang green na ano. Ito yon. To change every week. Not actually, but every week you change ko. Pag winter. Yun, diba? So this one is her bed cover. This is hand towel, and in the kitchen we used to change it. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is also put the clothes for washing. So anyway, parang bumata nga ako no ng isang araw. Bumata ako isang araw. This one, yung mga towels natin. Every time I wash, I also pick up the towels to change it. So ganun ka-often. I will make this inside out. Lahat ng mga damit at ilagay ko sa washing machine. So, ganyan yung buhay natin dito. And after this, I'll wash the plate And then it's almost, what time is it now? Magluluto. So, ganun na yung buhay natin dito. So, I'm happy that Beatrice is still on vacation. She can still enjoy. Tingnan mo naman dun yung bata. Nag-i-enjoy. Kahit yung medyas. Inside out yan. Pag naglaba. So, I do usually mix the clothes naman pag washing. Hindi ako nagsiseparate-separate ng color. Because if you want to, hindi naman kasi madumi. Diba? So, normally setting ko is 1,400 rotations RPM and then 40 degrees. Kasi automatic naman yung temperature na set mo depende sa type ng clothes na hugas. Pag mixed, yun palagi yung settings. 40 degrees with 1,400 RPM na rotation ng washing machine. So, ganyan. So, kasi dito, hindi ko sinasabay-sabay ang paggamit ng electricity. Washing machine, heater, water heater, magkaiba po. Hindi po natin pwedeng sabayin yun. Mapatay tayo sabay-bayaran ng kuryente. Sabay-sabay. So, yeah. Pagkatapos ng washing machine, tsaka ko yun yung water heater. Kasi yung water heater namin is 2 hours naman yun. Before you will take shower. Ano na yun? 100 liters. So, mainit na. So, ganyan. So, yeah. Kayo, ganun din po ba kayo? Ganun yung way namin. Magtipid ng kuryente. Tipid pa yun, ha? Ang ano lang dito sa amin, ang naka-regular lang noon is yung aming fridge. So, yeah. Kakakuha lang pala ng asawa ko ng kanyang gamot. So, mag-i-inject na naman siya. Ang bilis, no? Bilis ng araw. So, yan. Yeah? What is that?
You can actually open the glass too.
Really? Let me see. Yeah.
Mama,
Wait ang baby ko. So, I have to entertain. What is that?
Look.
Show me. Oh, you open it. Wow. What type of car is that?
It's a Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels? Oh. Are you enjoying Beatrice? Yeah? You want snacks or anything? You want snacks? What flag is this?
Romania.
Romania.
You can actually close it too.
Oh, really?
Open and then close.
So cool. So, put it na inside. So, ayan. Bisitahin natin yung ating garden. Ito yung wood storage namin. Wala nang wood. Ito. Kami lang din gumawa nitong. Ayan. Hinati ko. 1.5. Kasi, hindi kasya. So, how many years? Standby lang din to na open. So, I decided to at least strong enough naman siya. Ako din gumawa niyan. Ito. Ako din gumawa niyan. Kala nyo, kaya nyo yan? Kaya nyo? Kaya? Yan. Yung ating pergola. Yung pala sampayan. Ito, tinakpan ko para yung mga chismosa nating mga kapitbahay na umakyat sa pader para makita ang ginagawa natin dito. Tinakpan ko din yan. So, yeah. So, healthy ng aking pananim. Yung birds. Di ba? Pagkagising, gano'n yun dito. Masarap. Tapos mo. Di ba? Upo-upo ka dito. Kikinig ka lang sa kanila. Ayan. Upo-upo ka dito. Oh, pigeon. So, yun. Healthy. Napaka-healthy. Pero ano talaga dito ay yung moss. Tingnan nyo yung wall namin. So, kailangan naman natin yung i-brush. Kaya yun, ito yung mga rason na dapat i-tile natin dito. So, ayan. Yan yung bundok na nakikita mo. Dito ka nakaupo. Yan. Dito, ako din gumawa nito. Akala nyo ha, may style yan. Kasi, hindi yan pantay yung elevation from there to there. Pero pag tingnan mo sa labas, pantay yan. Pero kita mo, may inclination. Nakaganyan. Yan. Yan, diba? Patalent-talent lang yan. So, dyan ako galing. So, ito, gagawin pa natin to dito.